The essential guide to holistic eyesight recovery. Unlock the secrets to restoring your vision naturally. Discover how a holistic approach can transform your eyesight from lazy eye to eagle vision. The holistic path to recovery, and discover how a balanced full body health strategy can rectify this common vision issue, leading to stronger, more coordinated eyesight. Today I'm here to delve into why a comprehensive strategy is vital, the phenomenon of lazy eye, the primary culprits behind deterioration of eyesight, and the 6 crucial steps in a holistic vision improvement plan. Understanding the need for a holistic approach. Vision isn't an isolated aspect of our health, it is an important part of the overall wellness of our body and mind. Vision problems often stem from broader issues within our body system, nerve tension affecting eye muscles, or prolonged screen time leading to eye muscle fatigue and myopia. To effectively restore vision, we must address not just the eyes, but the entire body and mind well-being. How to heal a lazy eye holistically. A lazy eye or amblyopia doesn't stem from inherent eye or brain damage, but from a lack of coordination and strength. It occurs when one eye becomes dominant, shouldering the bulk of our visual task, while the other falls into neglect. The root cause: often it's a weaker brain hemisphere failing to stimulate the affected eye adequately. The top 3 clear eyesight enemies. First, static strain. Spending long hours focused on screens or books without breaks puts significant strain on our eyes. Second, stress. Mental and emotional stress can directly tighten the eye muscles, impeding proper focus and refraction. Third, sedentary lifestyle. Lack of movement restricts blood flow and oxygenation, crucial for eye health, potentially leading to various vision issues. 6 steps a comprehensive vision recover holistically. First, muscle spasm relief. The priority is to alleviate any spasms in the eye muscles, enhancing their flexibility and functionality. Second, boost blood flow. Simple neck exercises might not be enough. Full body exercises like squats can ensure adequate blood circulation throughout the body, including the eyes. Neck workouts. Specifically targeted neck exercises can enhance blood supply to both the eyes and brain, delivering essential nutrients. Fourth, master relaxation. Learning to relax not just your eyes, but your entire body is crucial. Proper relaxation techniques can prevent eye muscle spasms and improve overall eye functioning. Fifth, breathing deeply. Oxygen is vital for eye health. Developing practices of deep breathing can significantly improve oxygen delivery to your eyes. 6. Psychological well-being. Addressing psychological barriers and stressors can facilitate a more profound recovery and improvement in vision. Triggers of eye muscle spasms. Spasms often arise from acute stress or fear responding to real or imagined threats. Learning to control these emotional responses to your thoughts is crucial for relaxation and, by extension, vision improvement. Transform your eye health to get better vision. Say goodbye to the myth of irreversible vision loss and discover the power of comprehensive approach to eye health with the Eyesight Academy course. A link in the description below. Looking ahead, as we proceed, I will dive deeper into each element of the holistic approach in my other videos, offering specific eye exercises and tips to enhance your eyesight naturally. You are now familiar with the fundamentals of good eye health. The holistic approach is key to understanding the underlying causes of vision problems and recognizing the multifaceted strategy needed to improvement. Remember to subscribe and like this video to help spread the word. Your questions and comments are always welcome below. Stay tuned for more insightful content to your path for better vision naturally.